The verse that you see right in front of you is enough to prove to you that the Quran is unlike any other book on earth.
That's cute, but it proves nothing. Doing some simple math, we can actually show how even if we grant all of these miracle claims for the Quran and grant a 99% prior probability for Islam, we can plug this into the odds form of Bayes and find out that the posterior probability of Islam is weaker than these arguments that you actually give. We'll just follow some simple steps here. Let me introduce to you some new evidence now. The Quran consistently affirms the Torah and the Gospel, the same Torah and Gospel that contradict the Quran. This is known as the Islamic dilemma. If the Bible is false, the Quran is false. If the Bible is true, the Quran is still false. This leads to the next part of the equation, the likelihood ratio. How expected is the evidence on the condition Islam is true? How expected is the evidence on the condition Christianity is true? Well, as you could probably presume, the probability of the evidence given Islam is extremely low, while the probability of the evidence given Christianity is modestly expected. This then gives us a Bayes factor. We then follow some more simple steps. At this point, you might object and think, oh, well, Muslims have tons of different responses to the Islamic dilemma. No problem. An easy solution to this is just taking a submodel approach to the problem. We can break down Islam into submodels and still come out with the Bayes factor. We then just follow a few different simple steps, and we find out that the posterior probability of Islam drops below 5%, while Christianity rises up to over 95%. If you want to learn more about this, go check out our video on the Bayesian Islamic dilemma.